Improving mental health is essential for overall well-being and quality of life. Mental health affects how we think, feel, and act. And it plays a significant role in how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. With the increasing awareness of mental health issues, it's crucial to adopt strategies that promote mental well-being. This article will explore various effective methods to improve mental health, including lifestyle changes, mindfulness practices, and social connections. Lifestyle changes 1. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to enhance mental health. Exercise releases endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones, which can alleviate feelings of stress and anxiety. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, or dancing can significantly boost your mood. 2. Balanced nutrition. What you eat can have a profound effect on your mental health. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can promote brain health. Nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, and antioxidants, found in berries, can support cognitive function and emotional well-being. Avoid excessive sugar and processed foods, as they can negatively impact mood and energy levels. 3. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is vital for mental health. Lack of sleep can lead to irritability, mood swings, and increased stress levels. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night by establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and practicing relaxation techniques before bedtime. Mindfulness practices 1. Meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for improving mental health. It helps reduce stress, increase self-awareness, and enhance emotional regulation. Start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase the duration. There are various forms of meditation, such as mindfulness meditation, guided meditation, and loving-kindness meditation, so you can find what works best for you. 2. Deep breathing exercises. Practicing deep breathing exercises can help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or the 4-7-8 technique can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Just a few minutes of focused breathing can provide immediate relief from stress. 3. Journaling. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can be a therapeutic way to process emotions. Journaling allows you to reflect on your experiences, identify patterns, and express yourself creatively. Consider maintaining a gratitude journal, where you list things you are thankful for, to foster a positive mindset. Social connections 1. Building relationships. Strong social connections are crucial for mental health. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who uplift you. Engage in social activities or join clubs and groups that share your interests. Building meaningful relationships can provide a sense of belonging and reduce feelings of isolation. 2. Seeking professional help. If you're struggling with mental health issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists, counselors, and psychologists can provide support, guidance, and coping strategies tailored to your needs. Therapy can be an invaluable resource for understanding and managing mental health challenges. Conclusion: improving mental health is a multifaceted journey that involves lifestyle changes, mindfulness practices, and fostering social connections. By incorporating regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate sleep, and mindfulness techniques into your routine, you can create a solid foundation for mental well-being. Remember, seeking support from loved ones or professionals is a sign of strength. Prioritize your mental health and embrace the positive impacts it will have on your life.